Hey all, got a quick unboxing video of the REV random orbit polisher that's on Amazon. I was looking for videos of it myself, I couldn't find any, so I figured when I do unbox it finally and pick it up, I might as well share it with you. So, there it goes. There's a nice little carrying case. Microfiber polishing pad structure. Comes with a couple microfiber polishing pads. Looks like they could have packed that a little better so it didn't get so damaged. Anyways, more curious to see how the gears on this sound. The inside doesn't look much different than any typical low end, I should say mid end random orbit polisher. There's a plastic texture there, nice rubberized grip here. On off switch, with a lock and a safety. And then a perfect thumb dial that's easily accessible while you're polishing. This stuff feels a bit loose because it's just the cover and there's this plastic screw holding it in place, so you can put the handle in 3 different positions on this depending on how you want to hold it. Now let's see how it sounds. So it comes with the washer. Looks like a decent backing plate. Alright, you know what? So far I can't complain for 120 Canadian. Plug it in and see how loud it is. Now I've used Makita, DeWalt, Milwaukee, Rupes. I'm curious to see how something of this price range would fare in sound comparison. Here we go. I really can't complain. I must say that is impressively quiet for what it is. You can hear some bearing noise. You can hear a little bit of bearing noise. I don't know what the longevity is going to be on a unit like this, but you know what? For $100, if at worst case it's a backup tool in your arsenal. Best case, it's good for the DIYer at home. Once I get it in the shop and I start doing some actual polishing with it and compounding, I'll give you guys another review. Thanks. That tightens up that plate when you put the handle on, which makes sense. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.